Hello folks, another day, another kaftan. I'm going to cook some dal this afternoon. I've left my children inside the house whinging. I've had enough, so I've come outside, got myself a beer, and we're going to make dal. So I've been making a stock over here. I'll show you in a little bit, just a vegetable stock. But we're going to get some spices going. So we're going Indian today. So I've just pulled out stuff that I would normally put into a dal. You can put whatever you like, really, it doesn't matter. You know, certain regions of India have different tasting dals because of the different spices that they put in there. When I'm making a dal, I put in what comes to me. So, and always helps to toast your spices first and then grind them. So I'm going to put in about a tablespoon or so of coriander seeds. I'm going to put in the same amount of cumin seeds. That. And then you can also toast your ground spices too. That doesn't hurt. Fenugreek. I love fenugreek. Oh, it's such a beautiful spice. And it comes whole. Yeah, my spices might be a little bit old, some of them in the cupboard. Fenugreek comes whole, and one of the best dishes I ever had was on the Hare Krishna farm up at Murwillumbah. And they made this dish with just fenugreek seeds, salt, fried in ghee, and broccoli. It was incredible, incredible, beautiful dish. I don't know how they did they must have fried the fenugreek for a long time in the ghee to soften it up, otherwise it would have been rock hard. And it wasn't, so they must have cooked it. I'm putting in some garam masala. Oops, not supposed to until the end. Pretend I didn't do that. I'm putting some galangal. This is powdered stuff. I'm just going to toast them for a bit, and until they smell, what happens is the oils in the seeds start to become oily, release their smell. Volatile. All right. So toast, toast, toast. Looking good. And you just want to, you get to that stage where you can smell them, okay? Don't go overboard, you don't want to burn your spices. A smudge party pan, very handy. And then we grind. Got the old grinding stone back, whoops, wobbling. And if you wanted to, you could grind up your garlic and ginger into this too. I'm not going to, we'll just keep it all separate for now. Maybe I should, just to save space. We're lucky enough to have this. There's this glass. Lucky enough to have ginger growing in my garden. That's what that big plant is there. And it's got beautiful white flowers on it at the moment. So yeah, I just dug some up. Yay. So I'm going to chop that. I will put it in all the spices. Doesn't matter. You know. We're just cooking, aren't we? We're just cooking with Swaino. And I'm also going to put in a big clove of garlic. Yeah. Russian garlic that grows around here is divine. Divine. Okay, and then I'll take it off the table and we'll just smush it all in. I did a cooking class in Bali. Couple of cooking classes actually when I went there with my sister, and I was using the grinding stone like this, and the Balinese woman came along and she goes, "Very good cook for a white woman." I said, "Thank you very much." Best compliment ever. Okay, so I don't take all day, we're just gonna keep it chunky, okay? And what else have I got here? I'll just put all this together now. So, turmeric, there is some growing there somewhere, but I can't see it, so maybe it's just gone. It's not the right time of year. So I just put in some fresh powdered turmeric. I'm going to put in a cinnamon quill. Oh, there we go. I'm jumped out. Obviously it's been chosen. Cardamom pods. 4. Whatever you want. And a couple of cloves. And then I'm going to bring my pot over here and we'll start cooking. Okay? Catch up. I wanted to show you my stock that I've made. So in there is an onion, skin on, garlic, a bit of carrot I found in the fridge, parsley from the garden, spring onion, green onion from the garden, bay leaves. I'm lucky to grow bay leaves. And this is a tomato stalk. Did you know that they have really good flavour if you put them into your stocks or pasta sauces? Yeah. Good. Peppercorns, lembong salt, my salt of course. And over here is I'm going to use green split peas. I've soaked them in some water because look, yeah, they do get a bit dusty. And I just don't like the flavour when you use them unwashed. Yeah, okay, so let's just hold that. I'll put the camera back where. Okay, so welcome back. I'm putting some ghee into my pot because that's nice. Indians use it a lot. Hare Krishnas use it. Hare Krishna. That's how I learned to cook. Well, taught myself to sort of cook because I decided to become vegetarian when I was about 11 or 12, and I said to Mum, that's it, I'm not eating meat again, I'm going to be a vegetarian. Hang on, I'll have to press pause. Digby's teacher is dropping off some homeschooling work. Hang on a sec. Welcome back. Right, got the homeschooling work. So I'll just turn my pot back on. Yeah, so where was I? That's right. So I said to my mum, I'm not eating meat again. And she went, because she's from a farm, you know, meat and 3 veg always. And so she didn't know what really to cook for me. So I had a book that I was handed on the streets in Hay Street Mall in Perth. And it was the Hare Krishna book. It's a book called The Higher Taste with recipes in it. So I just started cooking Hare Krishna food at 12, 13. Had dinner parties. Some of my friends might remember. Ethnic nights, I called them. And I'd cook them Indian food or Thai food or whatever. Anyway, so into this pot I've put onion and the carrot, half a carrot. I put half a carrot into the stock. I'm putting half a carrot into here. So I'm hoping you've got an onion, garlic in your cupboards. If you don't, this is also what some the Hare Krishnas don't eat garlic, so they use this asafoetida or hing. You can get it at certain shops because apparently the smell of garlic is not very Krishna, I think. So, I don't really need to put that in because I've got fresh garlic. All right, so we're just going to fry the onions for a sec. That. Then we're going to put in our spice mix. Just got everything in it now. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, coriander, cumin, fenugreek, cinnamon, cloves. You know, but you can put in what you like. Smells good already. Oh my gosh. Actually, that's Digby's teacher. He's the vegan. All right. So if you wanted to make this dish vegan, don't use ghee. Use coconut oil or just vegetable oil. Good tip. So, but this is just vegetarian, and I love the taste of ghee. I love that sort of buttery taste. We're also, oh gosh, I meant to give him some bay leaves. But anyway, I'll use them. Put a couple of bay leaves in there. And then, so that's just cooking, looks good. And then I will put in, putting in a tin of tomatoes. You might have a tin of tomatoes in the cupboard. If you don't, and you've got a tin of coconut milk, put that in. So we are cooking with what we've got, okay? Because like I said, in these strange, unique times that we're in at the moment with this coronavirus, or in today's case, Peronivirus. Oh, love beer. All right. Yeah, very strange. So people might not be able to get to the shops. This is what these little videos are all about. Just helping you out. Maybe if you need help, maybe you don't need help at all. But I'm also making these videos because it makes me feel quite good talking to somebody, even if nobody's listening. All right, there's our tomato mix. In go the green split peas. Also keeps me occupied because I do like to keep busy. So doing these little videos takes up the day really nicely. Okay, so it's got, oh geez, the colour looks beautiful. Look at that, so nice. There he goes. Oh, want some bay leaves? What else? Oh, now the stock. So the stock turned out really nice too. If you don't have, or if you don't want to make your own stock, just put in some powdered stock, vegetable stock, fine, no worries. Look at the colour of it. That's from the onion skin. Leaving skins on your onion in a stock will make it go really nice brown. So, oh look, in goes some parsley as well, that's okay. So I don't know, I'm going to put in 3 ladles and just see how that cooks down. Yes. So that's it. It's a beautiful colour. Beautiful green and red. At my old primary school colours, green and red. So that's it. Oh, yeah, I did put in cloves. All right, so cook away, and we might just have a look at it in a little while and see how it's going. Okay, Hare Krishna. Rightio, so cook down for about 20 minutes or so. So what I would do is serve it with some rice, or you could serve it with your flatbreads. It can be as runny or as thick as you like. Now in India they have it very, very, very thin. It's just water with a couple of beans floating around in it. But anyway, this looks good, doesn't it? And it's delicious. Add some salt if you want it. One thing I didn't put in here was chili, so because my kids are going to eat it tonight, so I'll put that on the side, flakes or powder, whatever. Not ideal, you should really cook it in there, but you know, kids, cooking with kids. And I also wanted to just check, how did your jam go? Did you make some jam? This is mine from yesterday: banana, Suriname cherry and passion fruit. I can't get the lid off, but it's set. I've got to get the lid off, hang on. We'll just check. I need to check. There it is. Okay. Oh, it's perfect. Look, absolutely perfect. Let's have a taste. Divine. That's a great combination. Good on you, Swaino. All right. Cheers, everybody. Happy cooking and Hare Krishna, and I hope your Dhal turns out great. And we'll regroup tomorrow for day 4 of the sourdough mother culture, and we'll think of something else to cook. Okay, over and out. Bye.